diving into the captivating world of Montessori multiplication using the magic of shell transfer skills and sandpaper numbers. Activity 1. Shell transfer skills. Watch as little hands work their magic, transferring shells from one dish to another. Activity 2. Sandpaper numbers and the power of tactile learning. Feel the texture beneath your fingers as you trace the numbers and let your senses guide you to understanding. Activity 3. The Montessori Multiplication Magic. Are you ready for the grand finale? The moment we've been waiting for is here. Using shell transfer skills and sandpaper numbers, we'll introduce the concept of multiplication in the Montessori way. Get ready to multiply the fun and ignite that spark for learning with the magic shells and sandpaper numbers.